In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Audio Technica LP60XUSB. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. When you purchase this turntable from Audio Technica, you will actually have to assemble some parts by hand. So in this video, I'm going to give you a general overview of this process. So make sure that you have all of the components. These are all the major components that you should see when you unbox it. So the turntable base with tone arm, the platter, the driver belt, the felt mat, dust cover, AC adapter, USB cable, RCA output cable, 45 RPM adapter, and of course the user manual. If you would like even more instructions while following this, make sure that you grab the user manual. So first, install the platter and the driver belt. So place the platter on the center spindle, ensuring that it is fully seated. You should be able to gently spin it around after it has been inserted here. So if you inserted it properly, it will rotate by hand, and you should do this until you see a rectangular opening with a red ribbon. This will expose the brass motor pulley. So keep rotating until you expose this brass motor like so, and make sure that this red ribbon is aligned with it. Now remove the tape securing this red ribbon, and holding both ends of the red ribbon, carefully place the drive belt over the brass motor pulley like this. Once the belt is seated in the pulley's groove, gently remove the red ribbon, making sure that the belt here is not twisted. So as long as the belt was properly placed behind this brass pulley, you are good to go. Now, after this, place the felt mat on top, and you can spin this in a clockwise manner 10 times. So spin this around to make sure that everything was properly seated. After a little bit of spinning, with the tone arm still secured to its rest, you will be able to remove the twist tie that secures it. So remove this twist tie and discard it. Carefully remove the plastic stylus guard by gently pulling it forward. Avoid touching or bending the actual stylus. After you remove this plastic cover, you are good to go. Now connect the power cables that were provided. So plug the cable from the AC power adapter to the power input on the back of the turntable, plug the other end of the AC adapter into a working wall outlet, and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to set up Audio Technica LP60XUSB. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.